All right, guys. So in the last video, we were discussing about Power BI as a tool, right? That how exactly the companies are making the use of Power BI so that they can make some important decision by using the dashboards of Power BI, and that will be ultimately helping the company out in expanding their business, right? So in this video, we'll be focusing upon the installation of Power BI, that how exactly you can install Power BI desktop in your laptop. So for installing Power BI desktop in your laptop, you can make the use of multiple ways, which we'll be telling you. So this interface that you can see on the screen is the interface of Power BI desktop itself. So some things you have to take care of before installing Power BI from your side, and that is even if you have installed Power BI already in your laptop, you always have to make sure about this thing that you are having the latest version of Power BI in your laptop. As if you are not working with the latest version of Power BI in your laptop, then there are some upgradation or there are some updates which come on every month in Power BI. So the interface that you're gonna see in my screen might not come out to be the similar interface that you're having on your screen, right? And that is the reason why you should always prefer the most upgraded version of Power BI, right? Okay, so now we'll be moving forward to the ways in which we can install Power BI in our laptop. So the first way in which you can install Power BI in your laptop is via making the use of Microsoft Store. So directly in your laptop itself, you can search for Microsoft Store. So here it is. So via using Microsoft Store itself, if I'm searching for Power BI desktop over here, so you can directly navigate over here and you can directly download Power BI desktop from here itself, right? So this is one of the way in which you can install Power BI desktop in your laptop via using the Microsoft Store, which is already there in your laptop, right? And then the second way in which you can install Power BI desktop in your laptop is by navigating to this link, and that is apps.microsoft.com. So again, after navigating to this link, that is apps.microsoft.com, you will be able to install Power BI desktop via using Microsoft Store. And there is always a reason why you should always work with the Power BI desktop, which has been installed from Microsoft Store. And the first and the most important reason behind it is because Windows always handle automatic updation. So whatever upgradation will be coming on every month into the tools which are there in Power BI, those tools will be automatically getting updated in your laptop or in your Power BI desktop version. So you don't have to do it manually, right? So this is the first reason why you should always prefer Microsoft Store, Microsoft Power BI. Now the second reason is going to be it doesn't require any administrator access. So if you're not working in any company or if you're not exactly working in any administration, still you can work with this Power BI desktop version and you will be able to create these dashboards for yourself, right? So this is the second reason why you should always prefer Power BI desktop, which has been installed from Microsoft Store. Now, the second way in which you can install Power BI desktop in your laptop is by navigating to this link, and that is powerbi.microsoft.com/downloads. So this is the second way in which you can install Power BI desktop, or there are some other version of Power BI as well, which you will be able to download from here itself, right? But this version is not exactly preferred by most of the companies or by most of the people, and the major reason behind it is because of the no automatic upgradation option that is available over here. So every time some upgradation is coming, you have to manually install the most upgraded version of Power BI from your side, and that is the reason why we mostly prefer the Power BI desktop from Microsoft Store itself. And the second reason is you might require the administrator access as well if you want to work with this specific Power BI desktop version. And again, for this reason, why we should prefer Power BI desktop from Microsoft Store itself. And then the third way in which you can work with Power BI desktop or you can install Power BI desktop is by using Microsoft 365. So if you're working in an organization or if you're working in a company, then your company can get the access of Power BI desktop from Microsoft 365 itself. So you can directly talk to your admin if you want to get the access of Power BI, if your company is having the access to Power BI, right, from Microsoft 365. But again, it will be requiring the administrator access. So again, Power BI desktop from Microsoft Store can come out to be the most optimal option. Right. But there is also something that you might would have seen on the screen, and that is there is a sign in option available over here, right? So whenever you are working with Power BI desktop in your laptop, there is one thing that you have to make sure, and that is you are not required to register to Power BI that you are using in your laptop. So if you're working in an organization, if you're working in a company, then there is a chance that you will be requiring Power BI desktop more upgraded version. But in this specific scenario, for our specific course, we are not exactly working on the upgraded version, or we are not exactly doing the sign in over here, right? So there is no need to do sign in. You can directly download Power BI desktop that you can see on the screen from the three ways which we have mentioned. And then that was all from our side. And then in the next video, we'll be discussing about that how exactly we can adjust the settings once we have installed Power BI in your laptop. So that was all from our side, and thank you guys. And we'll meet you in the next video.